Hello and welcome to TXM TV. I'm Anthony Clyne, and today we're talking about Andon Lights and how they let people maintain the workflow without paying attention necessarily on everything that's going around them, but what they're doing. So if we have a look over here at this, I'll just share this photo of a Sony production line that makes the PlayStations. And a PlayStation is made here every 30 seconds. And you can see in the tower behind me, there's a series of light poles that stick up from the automated production line, and they show a colour. And you might be able to see on the photo over here that they're mostly green, meaning the production line is going without any problems and jams. And when the sensors and the machine, the equipment detects that there's something wrong, then the inventory builds up, the machine stops, and the light goes red. And when that happens, on comes a sound, and there is one manual process in this whole process, and the people will hear the sound, they'll look up, quickly see which one is red, and then walk over there and reset it and do some problem solving. And that system is called Andon. And the Andon system is very understated. And the reason, the benefit and the beauty of it is that it has service levels around it that define the relationship between the people that help service the line and keep it going and the people that run the line. They have a common objective for the output and the work to flow as smoothly as possible. And so the Andon line, when there isn't a problem, the people can stay there and they can focus on their task. But as soon as there is a small problem, then they are alerted and that problem can get fixed. If they didn't have that alert, then often what we see is people spending the whole time watching the production line, and that is non-value-adding time. And by having this alarm bell, they raise their focus, look at what the issue is, go over there, and then they can resolve that issue. So Andon is very understated and has a lot of benefits. And in the modern lean sense, it links in very well with Industry 4.0. So when we're designing it, the same essence as the term Andon, which means light box, which is a centralized grid of all these lights, that applies in the multi information session forum, which is the control screen or the control screens. And so at TXM, we help clients to develop control screens that provide the information that's needed to the operator, the person doing the work, as well as providing a lot of positive information and not just negative information by exception. So it's a little bit like doing exercise with your app or your watch and looking at the functionality and knowing as you're going that you're on time, your regime is achieving your personal goals, and you're getting recognition coming back saying, well done, that's so many times without a problem, that's fantastic, keep up the great work. And also on those apps, if for new operators, it helps reinforce the standard work. The dance chart, what goes next, and that's fantastic. And so these new Andon systems, with the advent of Industry 4.0, they take the classic Andon essence and philosophy and spirit, and they apply that with a modern touch to provide the people doing the work with the information they need so they can focus on doing the work, knowing that they will get positive reinforcement and they will also receive alerts, calm alerts to when there are problems. So thank you for watching this episode of TXM TV. I'm Anthony Clyne, and remember to watch us next time and like our LinkedIn page, and give us an email at txmtv@txm.com. Thank you.